Hey guys, welcome back, and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this really easy DIY henna tea. So henna tea is really great to strengthen your hair, and it's also a great way to stop breakage. So when I make my henna tea, I usually use 2 tablespoons of henna. And if this is your first time using this henna tea, I would suggest to start out with a little less. So maybe start out with 1 tablespoon and see how your hair likes it. And then you're gonna fill your cup with hot water. You're gonna mix that well until the henna is completely mixed in and there's no clumps. And then you're gonna let that sit at least for 8 hours or overnight. So I mixed mine really well, and then I covered it and I set it aside. I think I left it for about 2 days maybe. So as you can see, the henna has released into the water, and I'm just mixing it just to get it all mixed up again, because sometimes the henna can settle at the bottom. And next you're going to take a jar or something to pour your henna tea into. And I also have a cheesecloth so that I can strain the tea, the henna bits out of the tea. So I'm going to put the cheesecloth over the jar, and then I'm just going to secure it so it doesn't fall off when I pour the henna in there. I'm going to start gently pouring the henna into the jar, and I'm going to do a bit at a time so that it doesn't overflow. And as you guys can see, there's tons of henna that's not going through. So you're just going to want to continue straining until you have next to no bits of henna left in your cheesecloth. For me, it took me maybe 3 or 4 times to fully strain, but I like to do it so that there's absolutely no little grounds left over, because sometimes like they can get stuck in your hair and you don't really want that. So, you know, strain it to your desire, but I did about 4 strains. So I'm going to take my bottle, and it has the spray top, and then I'm just going to pour the henna tea into my bottle, and the color is wonderful. You guys can see that the henna has really saturated the water since there's no grounds left in there, but the henna is still going to benefit your hair. So I usually just keep this in the fridge until I use it all. It usually takes me about a week to go through that if I moisturize my hair every other night. So make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!